In this lesson, we'll be creating this cute little budgie painting in pastel acrylic colours. It's quite easy and can be created in approximately 1 to 2 hours. So let's get into it. For this project, we'll be using a 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, the 24-piece pastel acrylic paint set, a tube of black acrylic colour, a tear-off paper palette, a signature brush set, and a 6B and a 2H pencil for transferring the image. We have supplied this outline that you can find on our website. We've printed this out to A3, then shaded the backside with a 6B pencil. Flip the sheet shaded side down onto the canvas and retrace the outline. Obviously, you can draw up this directly, but if you are not too confident with your drawing, you can use this method. Once the outline has been transferred onto the canvas, squeeze out some black paint onto the tear-off paper palette. Using the smallest brush, we first paint in the eye and the eye ring. Remember to dip the brush in water before charging your brush with paint. Next, we can paint the stripes that emit out from the eye. We will be painting yellow over these lines and we'll need to paint them in again at the end. But if we don't lay in the black first, we would lose any line work under the yellow paint. We can then lay the background in with pastel mauve using the largest brush. While you're here, don't forget to take a look around the Create section on our site and uncover a whole heap of free stuff, from free projects, handy tips and tricks, and techniques to keep you busy. The green of the chest can be laid in with pastel pear. Some pastel turquoise can then be mixed with pear to darken it, and the wings can be painted in. We then create a golden yellow from a touch of pastel marigold and pastel lemon and paint this over the entire head. While this is drying, we paint pastel iris over the background, leaving some of the darker pastel mauve show through in areas. The beak can be painted in with pastel apricot. The area that covers the top of the beak is called the cere, and we can paint this in with pastel turquoise. We also paint pastel pear over the wings at this stage. To create some interest on our budgie's chest, we paint some pastel chartreuse over the chest again, leaving the darker colour beneath show through in areas. Pastel yellow can then be painted over the budgie's head. As we do this, we concentrate the colour on the front and decrease the amount as we move toward the back of the head. Next, we can relay the black line work in on the head, the eye and the markings on the throat. And with that, our cute little budgie is finished. Well, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this project, and if you do try it, we hope you have a lot of fun, because that's what it's all about. Otherwise, have fun, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next one.